Hello, in this video, I will show how to create a Sveltekit project. First, let's create the project folder. Pay attention to one detail. The name of the folder will be the name of the project. Now let's open the folder with VS Code. The command to create a Sveltekit project is npm create svelte at latest. If you're going to create a web app, choose skeleton project. If you are a more advanced user, you can also choose library project to create a Svelte library. I always recommend using TypeScript. However, if you are not comfortable using TypeScript, choose No so that the project will be created with JavaScript only. Here, select the options using the keyboard spacebar. I also recommend ESLint and Prettier. Trust me, they will make your life a lot easier. If you don't know these tools, take some time to do some research on them. Additional settings are needed to make these tools work properly with VS Code and Svelte. However, I will talk about these settings in another video. And that's it. The project has been created successfully, but calm down, we can't run it yet. We need to install the project dependencies first. To do this, simply type npm install in the terminal. This will create the Node Modules folder and install all the necessary dependencies in it. As you can see, the Node Modules folder has been created with all the dependencies. Now to run the project in developer mode, just type npm run dev. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and click on the link. And that's it. Finally, the browser will open and you will see the app running. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button.